action. We're at the Milwaukee Symposium. 2 new very cool products. We have a cordless heat gun. I believe it's the first in the industry. What did we say? 10 seconds? 6 seconds to heat up. It's going to give you, what's the temperature on this?
7 minutes.
It's hot as cord at 1,000 degrees in 6 seconds, you guys. And now 20-minute run time on a 5-volt battery. And they also have this little soldering iron here, which on a 1.5 battery gives you 45 minutes. And
20 seconds to heat up.
20 seconds to light up. So pretty cool. LED light on the front. Cool stuff, you guys, from Milwaukee, the Symposium. Comment below. This is the kind of stuff we're talking about. This is what we like to see. New tool categories. That's where it's at. Tools in action.
For more exciting tool action, go to toolsinaction.com.